Yo, 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 it's Amanda's Jacuzzi. Maybe I'm too old for you guys, but that's from the Amanda Show. Freaking love that show. But we are instead, unfortunately, not going to talk about the Amanda Show and Drake and Josh. We're going to talk about the characteristics of muscle tissue in this video. So the characteristics of muscle tissue is they're excitable, they're contractile, they're extendable, and they're elastic. So what's that mean? What do all these words mean? I'm going to tell you. So, excitable means muscles can respond to electrochemical impulses. So, an impulse is sent from the nervous system down on the muscle, allows, promotes an action, really. Excitable means, it's kind of shitty definition, but means that the muscle can respond to electrochemical impulses. So, boom, from the nervous system to the muscle, it does what it's got to do, whatever action or movement you're making with the muscle there. Muscles also, other than being excitable, they're contractile, so they can shorten. So this is always an easy one. You can shorten your muscle whenever you go like that. The bicep muscle. There's tons of other muscles, but we're just going to focus on the bicep. And you also can extend the muscle and lengthen it. So you could shorten it, lengthen it, shorten it, lengthen it. So when one muscle shortens, another lengthens, and then you could also lengthen, extend this bicep muscle that we just shortened. So we could lengthen it, shorten it, so on and so forth. And the muscles are also elastic, meaning they can shorten, lengthen, shorten, lengthen, shorten, lengthen, meaning elastic, what means muscles can oh my goodness, having a brain fart. They can stretch but still maintain their shape, excuse me. So elastic means muscles can stretch but still maintain their shape. So extend, contract, extend, contract, extend, contract. So muscles are excitable, they can respond to electrochemical impulses, they're contractile, they can shorten, they're extendable, they can lengthen, and they're elastic, so they can stretch but still maintain their shape here. So analogy for this is haven't played with the old silly putty in a while, but just think of silly putty. So it responds to the human hands, so it responds to electrochemical impulses mixing around the hands. It can be contracted into a ball, so shortened into a ball, if you will. It can also be extended or lengthened. If you pull on it, you could stretch it far out. And then the ability of silly putty, or your muscles, to be stretched and still maintain their shape and always fit back into the little container they're always put in. They're also silly putty's elastic. So muscles as well as silly putty is excitable. It can shorten, so it's the contractile. It's extendable. It can lengthen, and muscles and silly putty are elastic, meaning they can stretch but still maintain their shape.